Hello, my name is Walker Zander, and for my business model canvas pitch presentation, I'll be discussing my business, Zander's Boat and RV Storage. The first segment of the business model canvas is the value proposition, or what exactly is our service? Well, first and foremost, our mission is to provide customers with a safe, convenient, and affordable place to store their boat or RV when not in use. We have all utilities provided, giving customers everything that they may need. We are in a centralized location in Texas, giving customers easy access to the coast, lakes, and the countryside. Customer segments. Well, who are our customers? Well, we are a niche market for customers who own a boat or RV. If you do not own a boat and RV, sorry, we cannot offer you our service. We treat every customer the same. It doesn't matter if you have a $10,000 boat or a $100,000 boat. The cost may be different, but we treat you with the utmost respect. We give Texans across the state the opportunity to live out a dream. Even those out of state can store their desired vehicle to pick up for the time in Texas. Channels. How does our business get around? Well, physically, as an outdoorsman and a boat owner, I will meet new people at boat RV expeditions and Houston boat shows, physically distributing what our service does. By doing that, I can make our customers feel safe and get more customer mouth-to-mouth referrals. Everything will be integrated through our website. And for those who are not online, we will have a billboard, magazines, and newspapers to try and reach every customer. Customer relationships. Our customer relationships are the utmost importance to us. If our customers are happy, our business is working, and we are happy. We will have initial visits and meeting each customer, giving them an overview of the facility to make them feel safe. We will also have online reviews for customers for them to give us feedback. Customer relationships has little to no extra cost. It just costs time, and that time is well worth it. Revenue streams. Customers pay monthly for storage units. We are volume dependent. The longer a customer is storing their vehicle, the less each month will cost. Customers pay for what they do not have. Our product is a storage units with itself. They pay for the storage. We meet customer needs by solving a problem. Key resources. Physically, our resources include the land, the storage facility, and the surrounding common grounds, as well as security cameras with well-established storage areas with utilities, keypads, cleaning stations, office areas, with a one-time installment for everything followed by maintenance. Key partners. Our key partners are going to play a big role in this. Initial partners are going to be our construction providers, the bank, and lease owners. Long-term partners are going to include security companies, maintenance firms as necessary. Most important thing is creating reciprocal relationships with other storage facilities, giving customers a chance to store their vehicles in desired locations. Next, we have key activities. We are solving a problem. With the current influx of boat and RV owners around Texas and around the country, we are solving a problem by giving them an alternative solution for storage. We always accommodate customer needs. We provide 24-hour secure, private, and self-service pickup and drop off with an on-call employee always available. Cost structure. What is our cost structure? Well, our most important fixed cost, most expensive fixed costs are going to be the financing of the purchase of the land and initial construction of the land. Our most expensive variable costs are going to be our utilities. Our most expensive key activities are going to include customer accommodation, which will mostly involve time, and 24-hour operations are going to be our most expensive costs, along with maintenance and security. The value we bring to our customer is what makes this business what it is. Thank you. That is my business, Zander's Boat and RV Storage.